Welcome to the TestCafe Ultimate Course. Over the next few hours, you'll learn how to build an end-to-end automated testing framework from scratch using TestCafe and Node.js. My name is Bogdan. I'm a software developer and I've been working in software testing for more than a decade now and use TestCafe in various teams I've been part of. The goal of this course is to give you the tools needed to fully automate the user flows of your website or web application. The course covers a variety of use cases. We'll start things simple by what is TestCafe and why was it created and its architecture. We'll understand the page object pattern and browser navigation API, understand how to run multiple tests in parallel and take screenshots and videos on test failures. You'll learn how to create a new GitHub repository, commit the code and integrate with a CI/CD pipeline like Jenkins. And we'll look at special techniques specifically for TestCafe, Jenkins and BrowserStack. And finally, we'll finish the course by preparing our code for production. So this course is focused getting up to speed with automated testing, but also demonstrate the steps needed to create a testing framework from scratch. This course is beginner friendly, but will also touch a variety of advanced topics like handling multiple environments, authentication and cloud integrations. It's desirable to have a basic foundation in JavaScript and software testing. If you get stuck at any point, the video lessons have full description and step-by-step implementation with code snippets attached. I look forward to building a testing framework with you, and I'll see you in the next video.